In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to transfer World Cup tickets to someone else. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and simply search for Transfer Your Ticket FIFA. From the results, click on the official FIFA.com ticket transfer page. This will take you to an official FIFA help article that explains the full process. Once you open it, you will see instructions directing you to FIFA's official ticketing site. Go ahead and click on the FIFA.com/tickets link. This will take you to the main ticketing platform where you can manage your tickets. Now on this page, you will see options like Marketplace and Seller Exchange. From here, you'll need to log into FIFA account. You can scroll down and click on the option Ticket Transfer. Now make sure your credentials are correct. After signing in, go to the top menu where you will find options like Resell or Exchange. Click on that and then select View My Tickets. This is where all your purchase tickets will appear. From there, simply choose the ticket you want to transfer and click on Transfer Tickets. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. FIFA will guide you step by step depending on whether you want to sell, exchange, or transfer to another user. And that's it. This way you are able to transfer FIFA World Cup tickets using the official FIFA platform. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.